Did you know your Vivo X300 can light up around the edges whenever you receive a call, notification, or message? It's a cool feature called Ambient Light Effect, and in this video I'll show you how to enable and customize it on the Vivo X300 Ultra, X300 Pro, X300, and X300 FE. Go to Settings. Tap on Home Screen, Lock Screen, and Wallpaper. Tap Dynamic Effects. Here you can find different effects like home screen transition, lock screen fingerprint, face recognition, ambient lights, charging, weather background, etc. Tap on Ambient Lights. Two options available here. 1. Always on display. 2. On-screen display. If it's currently turned off, switch the toggle on Always On display. Your phone is now ready to display colorful lighting effects whenever you receive alerts. Set schedule to automatically turn on ambient light to your Vivo phone. Make sure to enable notification toggle to display ambient light for messages and notifications. Also, activate ambient light for individual apps notifications. Tap the notification light effect. Now it's time to personalize the animation like effects, color, transparency, width, and duration. Choose a notification light effect and tap Apply button. The changes are applied instantly. Now toggle on-screen display. Toggle incoming calls to display ambient light effect in incoming calls. Tap on Call Light Effect and choose Edge Lighting Effect and personalize it. Tap on Apply button. At the bottom you can set Ambient Light Effect for notifications when your phone screen is on. Set specific app notifications ambient light to your Vivo devices. Just turn on the categories you want and you're all set. Now lock your phone. Ask someone to call you or send you a message. You'll see the colorful ambient light animation appear around the screen, making notifications much easier to notice. If you'd like to customize the always-on display, lock screen, or app icons on your Vivo X300 series phone, we've already created dedicated tutorials for those. Check the links in the description or tap the I button to watch them. And that's how you can enable and customize the ambient light effect for calls, notifications, and messages on your Vivo X300 Ultra, X300 Pro, X300, and X300 FE. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.